PT cameras in, headers are on. Yeah. Time to do the stall converter. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, trucks are doing the 3000 stall converter, which is right here. We're dropping the transmission. Got the drive shaft off. Cleaned up them core 4x4s. I actually just put some rust refooling back in. Let's spray all that black. Anyway. Put the drive shaft out. Cross member is coming off. We'll disconnect the front shaft. The transfer case. I'm gonna move that transmission back. Get that torque converter on. Dust shield is off. And start removing the torque converter bolts off the flywheel. There she is. Man, there are a lot of coolant lines. We got them all disconnected. They dropped the transmission down. Got the Y pipe off. Then I dropped the tranny. Fun, 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 fun. How's it going, Mark?
It's going good. There it is.
We missed the installation, but it's in. Somebody was being impatient!
Mike wanted me to pull it back out.
Mike wanted me to pull it back in.
Alright, it's in.
It's in all the way, baby.
The old one's over here. I'm gonna send that back to Moe's. You'll be missed, little buddy.
Send it back to Moe's.
Throw it back all together. The most time-consuming thing was the coolant lines. Disconnecting them all, going up the truck, down with the truck, going the front, back. But we got it. Is it worth it? Of course it's worth it. More torque, baby. Woo-wee! Look at that rear end. 3 light coats, man. It came out good. It'll last about, what, 8 months? Start rusting again, but it looks good now. It's all that matters.
Yo, Mike.
Yo!
Push up on this for me while I do this.
Alright.
Push up on it that way.
Yep.
Just while I can turn this. More. You gotta go more. So it makes it easier for me to turn this fucking thing.
Heavy ass transmission, man.
Well, it's because we got the transfer case.
There's the headers. I'm telling you, everyone's like, oh, shorty suck. Yeah, they're better than manifolds.
Yes, they are.
And they're legal. Way better than manifolds. Training is back in.
Greg,
Mr. Rojee,
we dropped
Mr.
it.
Rojee.
We took it down that much, Greg, because it needed to come down pretty far to get that torque converter back. So.
Yeah, Rojee's like, listen, we're just gonna slide the transmission back a little bit, and Mr. Greg Burns like, okay, we'll see. But we had to drop. We had to drop the Y pipe. We had to drop the transmission.
Dude, it's a Paramount. It's built now. We just put a Paramount.
It's a Paramount now. This is a self-made transmission. But it's all lined up. We're
Mike
good to
actually
go.
hit the lottery. Why do you
We're
think
gonna hook everything back up. We're gonna take that ratchet strap off. The drive shaft's back on. Transfer case, shaft, drive shaft. We're good to go. I think that's it.
Though, put that away for a second.
No, we're not having that. We are not having that conversation right now.
I don't. Dude, we're best friends.
No.
I just want. Why you gotta put it on camera, dude?
Oh, let's talk, bro. Let's get real.
I'm charging my to do this entire job.
Oh.
You're recording me now.
What?
I'm not gonna say it.
Just say it.
It's personal, bro.
Dude, just talk about it.
Yeah.
We're bros, bro.
I know, bro, but it's just something I want
Hey,
to
it's
say.
raining out, man. We need a nice rainstorm after today. Nice little cool off. Look at that rear end. That's a nice rear end. Core 4x4. All right. What are you doing, Mark? What's going on? Are we done?
No.
Stall converters. Getting the transmission ready.
Gonna run it through all the gears, dude.
Little procedure to do to get the transmission fluid up and running. That's it with the stall. That's it, baby. Stall's in. Alright guys, that was the stall converter install. Stay tuned, like, subscribe. Stay tuned for some more videos.